Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to change eBay store layout. So as for now, you cannot change your eBay store layout directly in the mobile application. Instead, you can do it using your browser. So, okay, let's open the preferred browser, and we need to type ebay.com and open this official website of eBay. So then we need to navigate to our selling section, and to do that I need to firstly click on this man sign in the upper side of our screen, and now you see this section selling. Okay, and then you should see here the option called marketing, but since I don't have any store, I don't have that marketing feature, but you should have if you have a store. So after you entered marketing section, you need to click manage store button. Then after that you need to tap on the button called store design, or it can be named storefront settings, and there you will see layout options for your store basically. Then you need to select the layout for your store. There will be some available templates, and you can choose from that. Also, you can rearrange featured categories, listings, or add some banners if that's available. And you can customize your store, let's say, elements, and those elements include your logo, your store banner, featured items, and for example your color palette. And in the very end you need to save your changes by scrolling down, and you need to click save, or it can be named publish button, and this will apply new layout to your store. So that's how you can change your layout of your eBay store. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.